Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel. This is Teacher Debbie in Debbie June 101. How are you this time? Okay. So today we are going to play games. You like to play games, right? Especially in computer. So are you ready now? We will play. Our website for this morning is the ABCYA. Okay, before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, so here we have our t-shirt. Okay, Debbie June 101. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay. So next time, maybe Teacher Debbie will give you a t-shirt like this. Okay, so let's start. So this time, in our ABCYA, we will go to grade 1. Okay? Grade 1. And then, we will look for numbers. Okay, numbers. And then, next is we will choose blush off. Okay, have you tried playing this one? This thing? Okay, so this is blush of numerical order. So we are playing numbers now, this time. We are playing numbers, blush of numerical order. Let's start. Okay. So you can choose what number you count. Can be 1, 2, 3, 4, by 5 or by tens. So maybe it's better we will start at 1. You know how to count 1 to 10? Okay, that's good. Let's play. 1, start with number 1. Number 2, you need to drag. Next number 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? So we are here now. This time we are going to count from 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, level 3 here. 21. Next is correct. It's 22, 23. Remember, if you commit mistake, it will not fit in on your, okay? It will not. So 23, next is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and last number is 30. Level 4. Okay, so after 30, it's 31, 32, 34. Oh, no, I'm wrong. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Okay, that's it. Next, we will move on to 41. This is the last part, no? 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50.
Click on the meteors to save the city and become a hero.
Okay, so we will click the meteors. Click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, game over. So, I collected 35 space rocks.
Nice work. You're out of this world.
Okay, nice work. So, that is how to play Blast Off Numerical Order. Okay, hope you enjoy our game this morning. Okay, till next time, this is Teacher Debbie in Debbie June 101. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Have a nice day, everyone.